Hello, welcome back to our English grammar class. So today we are going to do the last part of is, am and are. Okay, part 3, and I hope you remember when to use is, when to use am and when to use are. Okay, फटाफट revision करें. Yes, so what did I tell you? When you use I, जब भी आप I use करेंगे उसके साथ में आपको compulsory which word you have to use? Yes, am. Okay, and when you're talking about one single thing, that time you will use is. Okay, and when you are talking about more than one thing, that time you will use are. Okay, and when you are using you, उसके साथ भी compulsory you will be using are. Okay, चलो. Now, just this is an exercise. Look at the picture and tick the correct answer. Are these dogs? Look here at the picture and tell me, are these dogs? The answer, yes, they are. Or where should I tick? I have to tick here in one of these boxes, here or here. Here it is written, yes, they are. No, they aren't. Tell me, are they dogs? No, no, they are not dogs. So, how will you answer? No, not like that. You have to say, no, they aren't. How is this spelled? Aren't. No, they aren't. So, I am going to tick mark over here. Okay, understood? Okay, next. Are you a doctor? So, will you answer yes or no? Instead of that, you have to say yes, I am. No, I am not. Okay, this is how you will answer. So, where should I take? Look at the picture. Yes, I am or no, I am not. Yes, you're right. I will tick over here. Okay. Next. Are they students? How will you answer? Yes, they are or no, they aren't. Yes, you're right. No, they aren't. Are these chairs? Yes, they are. Okay. So this is the right answer. You can copy down the questions. No need to draw the pictures. You can just copy down the questions and write only the correct answers. Okay. Like for example, I'll show you. Just write down in your English notebook. आपको लिखना है look at the picture and tick the correct answer. Okay, this you have to write. And वहाँ पे आपको क्या लिखना है? Are these first one? Are these dogs? Then answer you will write no, they aren't. Okay, only this much. No need to write this. Okay. Are you a doctor? You will write yes, I am. Okay. Then third you will write are they students? Then answer is no, they aren't. Only this much you will write. Are these chairs? Yes, they are. Only this much you will write. ठीक है, समझ में आया? आपको पिक्चर्स बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है और क्वेश्चंस लिखना है और जो राइट आंसर है उतना ही लिखना है. Don't no need to write anything else. Okay? Is she a nurse? Yes, she is. Okay? So write only this much. Then look at the picture and tick the correct sentence. Here also you will write it down in your English notebook, but you will write only the correct sentence. Okay. Now look here. Can you see this school bus? Okay. Now tell me, here it is written, there is children on the bus and there are children on the bus. So which is the right answer? Now look here, what are we talking about? Children. Children means ek or more than ek, one or more than one. If it is child, it means one. When we say children, it is more than one. Okay. Some people they say children's. There is no need to add s. है ना? चिल्ड्रन के आगे एस नहीं लगाना चाहिए. वाई? बिकॉज चिल्ड्रन इज ऑलरेडी मोर देन वन, है ना, उसमें एस नहीं लगता है. ओके, व्हेन वी से चाइल्ड इट इज वन, एंड प्लूरल फॉर्म दैट इज मोर देन वन एंड मेनी जो होता है, उसमें वन इज चाइल्ड एंड मेनी मीन्स चिल्ड्रन. ओके, वी डोंट पुट एस विथ चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन मीन्स मोर. सो जब मोर के साथ में आपको इज यूज करना है कि आर यूज करना है? Yes, we will use are. So the right answer is there are children on the bus. Okay, understood? Okay, now look here. Look at the picture. Can you see? What can you see? Yes. Now tell me which is the right one. There are shoes under the bed, or there is shoes under the bed. Shoes means more than one. Okay. So there are shoes under the bed. Okay. Again over here no need to draw the pictures. यहाँ पे भी picture draw करने की जरूरत नहीं है. खाली question लिखिए and जो right answer है उतना लिखिए. Okay. And mama, papa should not write in your book. Only you will write. Okay. चलो, look here. Is there a king on the throne, or are there a king on the throne? Now we are talking about king. King means one or many? Yes, king means only one. Many होगा तो kings बोलते है ना. If it were many then we would have said kings. But here we are talking about only one king. So with one we will use is or are. Yes, we are going to use is. So the right answer is there a king on the throne? Okay. Now look over here. I am hungry or I is hungry. Remember what I said. What will you use with am? I, am or is? Yes, always with I you are going to use am. So I am hungry is the right answer. Okay, so that's all. Only this much you have to copy it down in your English notebook and practice using is, am, are in your daily day to day communication also. मतलब आप एक दूसरे से जब बात करते हैं, try to speak in English so that you can practice it properly. Okay, so that's all. See you. Bye.